Hi, thank you very much for your work. It's been really good. Your English is very good. You don't have any problem with grammar, understandable, and I believe you have read the text. You have read the text clearly. You have discussed that in the group. Now, I would like to give you input, room for improvement on your essay. Yeah, your introduction is brilliant here. Very good. Yeah, thank you very much. You have put a lot of effort on that. Um, then in your essay, you're going to say globalization affects countries' economy in three kinds: commodities, labor, asset, and debts. Brilliant. Okay. So you're going to elaborate that in your essay. Okay. Now, the next paragraph, you go globalization makes trade easier, faster, and cheaper. That's in relation to commodities. Yeah, trade easier, faster, and cheaper. We don't have to meet and so on and so on. That's very good. Yeah. Um, what you have to pay attention here is numbering. Yeah, number like this is no need to put number like that. You say first, second, third, and so on. Yeah, but don't put numbers like this in your essay. But this one bagus, pengembangan dari commodities. Yeah. Now, how countries maintain their own problem? Some countries like Hong Kong and so on and so on. Ini mulai nggak nyambung karena you have to explore labor. You have to explain labor here. Then you have to explain again after labor. You have to explain here about the next one, assets here. But you are talking about currency. Yeah. So this one paragraph here up to here, there agak nggak nyambung dengan intro yang ditulis, gitu. That's the input from me. I'm going to give you two example from your friend's work. Yeah. Just a second. Nah, okay. Let's have a look at this. Ini intronya hampir sama. I had the pleasure of here. Ya. Lalu in the economic sphere, people face wider opportunities and competition in the market, for instance. Lalu sama, globalization affects market in terms of commodities, labor, and finance. Bedanya adalah here. The third type of market, finance, will be the subject to this discussion. Dia batasin saja yang akan dia bahas tentang finance. Gitu. Then the next paragraph, finance is the easiest to globalize, dan seterusnya sampai sini. Nah, kelemahan dari tulisan ini tidak dikembangkan di sini. Harusnya dikembangkan di sini paragrafnya. Terus tiba-tiba dia on the other hand, dia kontraskan, gitu ya. Terus globalization of finance had long histories. Karena dia akan ngomong finance saja, maka dia nyebut historinya. Gitu. Globalization as a continuous floating rates are common nowadays. Floating rates kaitannya dengan finance. Itu organisasinya. Ya, ini yang mirip dengan yang kalian punya. Saya kasih contoh satu lagi yang sedikit berbeda, tapi teksnya sama. Good. Contoh yang sedikit berbeda, ya. Ekonomi globalization hampir sama, regional dan segala macam. Lalu dia sebut one part of the globalization of the economy is financial sector. Oke, dia akan stresskan pada financialnya. Tetapi dia bilang in the development of globalization in the financial sector had its development journey. Itulah yang akan dia tulis dalam esainya gitu. Oke. Oleh karena itu dia bilang tahapannya state described below. Ini masih harusnya dipakai bahasa Inggris gitu ya. Tapi idenya oke. Lalu dia bilang first the period sekian. Next paragrafnya second the period sekian. the third period after the World War II, and the fourth from the period after the World War II to the present, gitu. Lalu dia bikin konklusinya. Oke. Jadi satu teks bisa dilihat dari berbagai angles depending on what you're going to write, gitu. That's the input from me about the organization. Now, you don't have to rewrite, tidak perlu menulis ulang dari teks ini, tapi harus milih teks yang berbeda dari psikologi. Ya, now go to psikologi, lalu ada preparation for materials for final test, lalu ada text for essay writing, gitu. Terus dipilih salah satu yang Anda paling nyaman dengan kelompok yang mana, lalu write the essay, email me, then I'll give you similar feedback. Gitu ya. Yang penting kita lihat organisasinya. Grammar nanti belakangan. My advice, look at this one. Essay transportation dilihat dari strukturnya, ya, struktur essay-nya. Okay, thank you very much. Looking forward to receiving your other work. Thank you.